Hey, what's up guys? Today I will replay the air filter. This one I get from AEM. So it said like this one designed to increase horsepower and something. You can see I already opened it. You can see over here. Now I'm gonna install. This is my SC. Okay. Wait 2 minutes. And now I'm gonna open this screw over here. Lỏng này, xe lỏng thì mình nhấc nó lên thôi, nhấc nó lên mình lấy cái filter ra thôi. Này, còn là take the filter off. The new air filter. Swap vô. Over here. Put back over here. Put this one back. So now this one. Put back the power. Now you can see the cell when we start it front. Start. Gonna switch to the S mode. D3, that's it. Whoa! Shoes! Good. Peace.